Springtime is here and it was a great day to go fishing. We started off the video pretty slow, but we never gave up. Make sure you watch to the end to see an amazing catch. Enjoy the video.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a nice day out here, about 60 degrees here, early March, and we're feeling a little bit of bass fishing.
Yeah, we're really excited about today. This pond we're fishing at today, it's kind of private on a golf course, but we've had some very good bass fishing days here.
Crack.
We've had a day here where we've caught 40 plus bass in a day. It's been crazy.
It's outrageous.
And it's a beautiful day. It's pre-spawn, so the bass should be closer up to the banks. We should have some good luck actually catching them today. So we're really excited to get to fishing.
Yep. All right, so here's the setup today, guys. I have a little, just a little Shimano SLX DC rod reel. Love this reel. Absolutely adore it. It's been my dream for a long time as a younger kid, because just solely because of the noise it makes. It's just a beautiful noise. And I have right here on tied just a little Texas rig with the Senko, and I mean, it's a pretty good color, I think, for this clear water. I might just keep it on, to be honest, for this rod. Actually, no. I've had some great luck this time of year with a crawl color style crankbait, lipless, or lipped, you know, you name it. So that is what I'm actually going to put on. I think I'm going to use this one. This one looks juicy. All right, that just calls for a 10-pounder. But hey, see if we can get any luck with this. Clear ass water. We're ready to go. First cast. First cast miracle right here. Let's go. Man, this feels good to be out here again. Haven't fished this pond in a minute, ever since we got kicked out.
Get the first cast out there.
I guess I'm gonna try a little slower retrieve. Okay, nothing there. Let's just launch this bad boy out there. The wind is definitely playing a part here today in the fishing and like the audio. I know the audio is just gonna be screwed up, but just bear with us here.
Down here a little bit.
Could be onto something here, boys.
We are for real getting no action so far. This is not the best start to a fishing day, but I mean, look at this huge pond we got.
Oh, I just got hit. Guarantee I just got hit.
Okay, good.
Yeah, no, that was a hit. Boys, that's our first bite. Guarantee first bite. I don't know if the last one was a bite, but no doubt in my mind that was a fish. Bro, they must just be nibbling it, because that dude hit that dog hard.
Sean? Lost him?
Yeah.
Let's get it right over here.
Keep pushing here. No bites, huh?
Nothing yet.
But turns out there's no fish that want to lick with crank. In a second here, guys, I'm gonna start experimenting different baits, something. Deceived once again. Wait. Oh yeah, I got a big ass thing. Cool. Not going the best now, for sure. We're gonna figure it out. I guess fish don't exist, actually.
gonna change to?
I changed to Texas Red Craw.
Gotcha. Oh, I just got hit 100%. 100%.
That's good to hear.
Felt that bite for sure. Trying to cast the same spot. Man, if I don't get another bite, probably keep moving down a little bit. Alright, so here's the spot I've been waiting to get to the whole time. This spot here, there's a little sewage pipe right there as you can see, but there's like a deep hole here and fish love to just sit there. I'm gonna give it a couple casts.
Yeah, catch the leaves. Kind of sums up the whole day, to be honest. Oh, there we go, fish on. Fish on, finally. I just felt a tug, dude. I was looking at the street, and I just felt a tug, and that is not a bad one either. No! He just came off at the last second, dude. Oh, well, hey, that's a good sign, boys. You know what, I'm not even mad.
Bro, that's so unfortunate.
Yeah, no, that was insane. It just came off right at the damn bank. That I would just place my bait. My bait was just sitting on the bottom. I think I just got another bite. Yup. Oh, dude, no way. Oh my God, it came off again. I'm not sticking these guys, bro. All right, well, let's not get caught up in a couple small fish here, guys. Let's keep it moving. One more cast. I can't get a hook set. Never one. There she is. Finally. That is a good hook set if I ever seen one. There we go. Finally one on the bank, guys. Just dropping in right where this drain. There's a lot of rocks here, and just like that, boys. That's a good maybe pound and a quarter. Beautiful fish. Thank you for buying. All right, let's keep pushing.
There we go. First fish on. There you go. Fish on. There we go.
Hey, what bait you using?
I'm using this one that popped in my head earlier.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, it's called a Texas rig. You gonna change to?
I changed to Texas Red Craw.
Gotcha.
Hey, that's a good choice.
There we go. The hook out. Not bad fish. Thanks for biting, buddy.
Just FYI, we ain't bass fishing experts. I mean, we try our best to be. We learn.
No, I just got hit. I'm not gonna let that slide though. I'm gonna catch this one. Oh, I think oh yeah, got fish on. There we go, another fish. Yeah, not bad. Not the best hook. It was barely in its mouth, but it's all good. Yeah, that was right on the side of his mouth. It was barely in there. had one. Look at that. You know you got smacked when your lure looks like this. It was in his mouth, and when I set the hook, it just comes right out. He pulls the lure down. That's how you know you just got smacked.
Ooh, that feels good. Yeah, that feels good. That feels like a good fish. Oh, she not bad. That felt way bigger. That felt way bigger. I almost thought that was the mega. Look at those red winter lips right there. Thanks for biting.
Hey, I know I'm catching a fish on this cam. There we go. There we go. Nope. Third fish of the day. This one's not bad actually. He's got a huge belly. This might be a girl actually, because this is pre-spawn, so she might got a lot of babies in there that she's about to give birth to pretty soon here. But there we go. Get the hook out. Yeah, this one's not a bad fish. Like I said, huge belly. I think this is a girl because definitely getting ready to spawn soon. But thanks for biting. There we go.
That's a fish. Yep, fish on, boys. That's what I'm talking about. Just felt dead weight. That fish is on there. Oh, little jumpy fella. Oh, look at how cool this guy looks, guys. Look at his awesome lateral line.
That looks like a good fish.
Yeah, or it's decent. It's got a pretty lateral line. Remember when I said over there, they'll probably be pushed up over here. That's the bait fish. I called it. Oh my God, boys, this dude just came out of nowhere. Holy. That wind was throwing me off. It was like I was losing contact with my bait, and then the line just started, just boom. You know what I'm saying? Just like, it was getting so stuck. There you go. You're really screwing up my game. There we go, boys. Fish on. And she feels like a big one. Oh, Ian, I might got a big one. Oh, Ian, I got a big one. Oh, Ian, I got a big one. Oh, Ian, I got a big one. Oh, guys, this is a good ass fish. I can't see him because he's in the sunlight. Oh, Ian, I got a good one. Oh, that's a good fish. That is a good fish right there, Ma. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh my God.
That is what I'm talking about right there. I spun the block again around that spot. I just knew because they were biting like crazy. But look at that's what I'm talking about right there. That's every bit of 3. No way. Boys, look at that fish. That's what we came here for. All right, boys. Fish will wait right here. Oh yeah, that's every bit of 3. 3 pounds, 4 ounces right there.
Wow.
You guys saw it first. And that is one hell of a fish. That is one hell of a fish. Man, I just wanted to get a big one today and I'm happy now. Look at that.
Yeah, bro.
Beautiful. Look at his red lips for the winter. Beautiful fish. He's healthy too. Let's get a release on her. Actually, you want to get some pictures?
If you want to.
Yeah, I want some pictures. All right, boys. Good fish right there. Let's get a release on her. Go make some babies, huh?
Hey, good shit, bro.
Hey, appreciate that.
There we go. He's all right. There we go. No, not the biggest, but decent amount of fish. Definitely still happy with it. There you go. Yep, there we go, boys. There's another one on the board. Fast fish. Felt that one. That's a pretty decent fish right here. This could be close to 2. There you go, boss. Send them back. One thing that SLX DC is really good at is handling that wind. Another reason why I love the reel. That's a bite. Oh man. Hammering. That's all she wrote. Nice little fish. Maybe a little bigger. Oh, we got a fish apparently. What is this? Look at this little stinker. Who does this guy think he is? Look at this little pipsqueak, guys. Just a perfect size fish for you. Yep. As I was saying, guys, pipsqueak, aggressive little fish. There we go. Got another one. Oh, and apparently I don't have another one. Apparently it's just a stick. Solid catch right there. Crike. Oh my God, I just got hammered. Oh. Love it. And there is another decent fish. Like, I'm not complaining. I could do this all day. Thank you for biting. Oh, drop my rod. Wow, that went way short. Okay, so the wind is just not on my side. The wind just actually ruined everything. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Fish on. I really want to get one more here before I move. I did. Let's see. Right through his tongue. Oh, that's tough. There we go. Look at that. Nice fish. So cool using these type of lures when you're fishing with them. You just kind of dragging them along the bottom, kind of like do a little twitch every couple seconds. But when you get a fish, it's awesome. You feel them like open their mouth, you feel them swallow it, and then you wait 1 sec, you reel up the slack, and you set the hook. It's a great feeling. Oh, here we go right now. There we go. Felt that. Oh, he feels like not that fish. I felt him swallow it. I know right when to set the hook. Reel up the slack. Set the hook. This is not a bad fish either. He's a little skinny, but not a bad fish at all. Here we go. Nice fish. Well, like I was saying before I got interrupted by that fish, it's just a really cool feeling being able to feel them swallow the lure and then just setting the hook and you're on. It's perfect cast. No way I don't catch fish. Okay. Second time this has happened to me today. Thought I had another fish on, but it is what it is. Well, guys, so I just taken one last cast here. About to go to another pond, but we had a great time here. We caught a lot of fish.
We're down the dumps over there.
No, for real. When we first started over there on those banks, like we got hit like twice, but it was bad. Ever since we came kind of past that drain over there, it's been pretty good. Well, we're gonna go to the next spot and we'll see you guys when we get there.
Pond looks beautiful as always.
All right, here we are at pond number 2. Water looks beautiful. I don't know. Hoping we'll have some good luck here. Yo, where the fish at?
I'm experimenting a little bit.
Saw some dudes say a spinner bait is really good.
You know what? Because I was just thinking that. I literally came over here because I know spinnerbait could be good for like wind and shit.
Yeah.
I'm doing it that much. All right. Spinnerbait it is.
Yeah, they all left. We're gonna go ahead and leave now. Pond has not done us too good today, unfortunately.
Very disappointing. Falling off.
Yeah, ending off the fishing day on a bad note for sure, but it's okay. We're gonna go get to the outro.
So that didn't go too well.
Oh, definitely didn't go as planned. Regardless of how that second pond went, even though it was really bad. First pond was great.
Yeah.
We had a great day, a very productive day. Probably 20 fish?
Maybe over 20 fish possibly,
Yeah. You caught a really good one, about 3 pounds.
3 pounds, 4 ounces. That had to have been the highlight of the day for sure.
For sure. But regardless of how that second pond went, it's still a great day.
Yeah. I think, we did good. That's a win in my book.
For sure.
So we hope that you enjoy what we enjoyed.
Yep.
And we want to thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more episodes.
Yeah, our plan is a new video every Saturday, so that's when you guys can expect us. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.
Have a blessed day, guys. See ya.